I wanted to read a funny book that I thought you'd all enjoy, and it's called This Book Just Ate My Dog by Richard Byrne. Bella was taking her dog for a stroll across the page when something very odd happened. Do you see? You only see the back end of the. Where did the front end of the dog go? Bella's dog disappeared. Now I don't see any of the dog. Hello, Bella. What's up? Said Ben. This book just ate my dog. Ben decided to investigate. Look, he's going right into the book. But Ben disappeared too. There's his balloon. It's going up in the air. Where did Ben go? Suddenly, help zoomed in. This is the dog rescue. Let's see if he's going to help Bella. And then vanished. This book is eating everything. Things were getting ridiculous. I'll just have to sort this out myself, thought Bella. But, burp, where did Bella go? Sometime later, a note appeared. It came right out of the book. It read, "Dear reader," that's you and me. "It would be lovely if you could kindly help us. Please turn the book on its side and shake. Love, Bella." So it says to turn the book like this and shake. I wonder what's going to happen. Oh, and I'm supposed to, and shake and shake and shake. Oh, look at the fire engine and the police and the friend. They're all coming out. And one last wiggle. Thank you, Bella. Here comes Bella and her dog and the dog rescue. Everyone reappeared. And things got back to normal. Oh, well, almost. These words are upside down, and Bella's dog, his tail is on the ground, but his feet are up in the air. Things didn't really get back to normal. Uh-oh. Dear reader, please tell this book to promise not to be so naughty the next time you read it. Thank you, Bella. The end.